There are 200,000 registered voters in Kitsap County. So how do we keep those records up to date? I'm Paul Andrews, Kitsap County Auditor, here to answer that question with another Elections 101. There have been many stories going around stating concerns about the accuracy of the voter rolls and the need to update voter information. Most counties in Washington state update their voter rolls daily. Maintenance of the voter rolls is an ongoing process. We make over 60,000 updates a year. We get information from many sources: the Department of Licensing, Social Security, Electronic Registration Information Center, newspapers, but most important resource is you, the Kitsap County resident. If you have a family member who has passed away or is no longer living at your address, and we send a ballot or other correspondence to them, we need you to return it, writing on the outside of the envelope, "No longer at this address, deceased," or whatever applies to their situation. This allows us to start a process where we verify their status, either updating their information, making them inactive, or removing them from the voter rolls. Another way we update our voter information is by sending correspondence to voters. Voter information cards, ballots, letters from our office all give us opportunities to interact with voters and update their information. We send letters to voters with post office boxes at regular intervals to make sure nothing has changed in their status. And we also regularly update our Uniformed and Overseas Citizens Absentee Voting Act, UACAVA, voter information. Our voter rolls are regularly maintained, and you can help us update our records, speeding up the process and saving tax dollars. As always, if you have any election question or need assistance with making sure your voter registration is up to date, give our office a call, 360-337-7128. And if you have a topic you'd like covered in Elections 101, email auditor@kitsap.gov, and in the subject line put Elections 101 topic. Thanks, and we'll see you next time with another Elections 101.